Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, September 9th, 2016, and U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I called the Dow down today, and I think I was right. Dow fell out of bed today, almost 400 points, officially 394 points. You can see this huge drop. It had been consolidating up here. I kept thinking that this consolidation would resolve itself to the upside. It did not. It just really fell out of bed. There's a lot of worry about interest rates, exactly what the Fed is going to do. And I think kind of hanging over that is the elections, because people are starting to look at the Fed and what they're doing and some of the implications of this. And although I don't know if I fully subscribe to this, but there is the suggestion that possibly the market is being artificially propped up by the Fed. And like when people suddenly realize the emperor wears no clothes, the market's going to fall apart. Now, I don't necessarily subscribe to that scenario, but I think there is some fear out there regarding this, and for that reason, I am a little bit nervous, and I may be going in this weekend and looking for bear stocks. Because we may want to get some bear stocks in our portfolio, and in some ways we were kind of saved today by bear stocks. Hey, with the Dow down nearly 400 points, technically we made money today, which is really, really good. Now, I can't say we had a great day. I think we had about $8,000 positive on the close yesterday. And, you can see the Dow actually gapped down, which is kind of unusual, and then just really sold off right on the open. So that $8,000 positive completely evaporated. We got out with negative $437. But hey, that's not a big loss. I mean, that's nothing. What is kind of interesting, we got into two stocks, and I'm going to show you both of them here, but we ended up carrying positive $7,000 open trade, carrying over the weekend and going into next week. So, technically we really didn't give up that $8,000. We just kind of sold out those long positions and got into things that were more favorable in a downside market. So I think this is real strength of the system. I'm sure that there's a $500 billion of investor money lost today in this very large sell-off, and hey, we didn't lose a penny. In fact, you could even argue we made a little bit of money. Anyway, I'll show you what we had here. The first one, this is LABD, which is our bio bear. In other words, this thing's going to go up if the bio sector goes down. And of course, bio sector went down hard today, along with practically everything went down today. So we got not a huge amount of money, but we have $2,000 in that. You can see the bio bear closes right on its high. I like that. This position could go a lot higher on Monday if fear starts creeping into the market. It did creep into the market today. It could get worse over the weekend. We just don't know. And the other stock that we did really good in is JDST, and this is the gold bear. In other words, this is going to go up as gold falls, in value, and we bought this right out of the gate this morning, and we are holding in excess of $5,000 in the gold bear. So we're up over $7,000 total with only 2 positions. So that's pretty good. So you know, Trader Bob isn't unhappy. I mean, I love it when well, I can't say I love it. I don't like to see the Dow plunge like this, but I think it was inevitable that it's going to do this at some time. I am calling the Dow down hard on Monday. Okay, I think we're going to see some more of this. So I'm calling the Dow down hard, and we probably should do pretty well with these positions if that is the case. Anyway, regardless, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll be back here online on Monday.